everyone. Hope you guys are well. Today we will discuss the another important topic of business communication, which is methods of communication. Guys, there are four key methods of communication: written, oral, visual, and pictorial. Let's discuss the first method. The method is written. These are the examples: reports, emails, and letters. Written communication means the sending of messages, order, or instructions in writing through letters. Reports in the form of reports, office memos, and manuals. It is a formal method of communication which is basically used in offices and in the professional way. The second method of communication is oral, which is face to face discussion, telephonic conversation. Oral communication is communicating with spoken words. It is a verbal form of communication where you communicate your thoughts, present ideas, and share information. The third, visual. Visual, these are the examples of visual communication: face to face discussion, notice board, and video conferencing. The visual communication is the use of visual elements to convey ideas and information, which include but not limited to science. The method is typically used through drawings, graphic designing, and etc. The method typically also used in offices as visual purposes in the form of graphic designing and presentation in the form of drawings. The last method of communication is pictorial. These are the examples: charts, drawings, and graphs. The pictorial method is defined as something expressed in the form of pictures. Today we have discussed the methods of communication. If you like my video, guys, this is a short lecture related to the methods of communication. Hope you guys lecture. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.